Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Slack for no-code app notifications. Easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Slack website. Click on Sign In located in the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your email address associated with your Slack account. Click on the Continue button. Check your email inbox for a Slack sign-in link. Open the email and click on the link provided. If prompted, enter your password. You will be redirected to your Slack workspace dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the specific channel where you want to receive notifications. In the channel, click on the channel name at the top of the screen. Select Integrations from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to find the Apps section. Click on the Add an App button. In the search bar, type the name of the no-code app you wish to connect. Select the app from the search results. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the app integration. Make sure to grant any necessary permissions. Configure the notification settings according to your preferences. Click on the Save or Install button to finalize the integration. Return to your Slack workspace to check if the notifications are working as expected. You are now set up to receive no-code app notifications in Slack seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.